Esticas BMG. The Santo Tomas College of Agriculture, Science and Technology is a premier local institution in Southeast Asia. Mission: infuse wholesome values or core values to the teaching and non-teaching staff of Esticas. Number 2, equip graduates with knowledge, skills, attitudes towards global competitiveness. Values: efficiency, excellence, perseverance, humaneness, integrity. Institutional goals: the Santo Tomas College of Agriculture, Science and Technology commits to 1. Provide a quality industry needed and tailor-fit educational program. Number 2, exposing an educational and cultural excellence. Number 3, instituting sufficient human and financial resources and compliant facilities. Number 4, institutionalizing culture across disciplines. Number 5, establish collaboration among stakeholders, members where respect, values, support are paramount. Number 6, implement community program, improvement, and development.